This video tutorial explains how to display the OnMap Connected Agencies report in the Transit Network Analysis software tool. The OnMap Connected Agencies report visually displays the connections that exist among the different transit agencies. The OnMap Connected Agencies report can be generated for any of the transit agencies listed in the extended OTA floating dialog box. In this tutorial video, Salem-Keizer Transit, also known as Chariots, is the transit agency used to demonstrate the features of the OnMap Connected Agencies report. The OnMap Connected Agencies report for Chariots is accessed by first right mouse clicking on the name of the transit agency, and then selecting the option labeled Connected Agencies. This action closes the OTA floating dialog box and displays the OnMap Connected Agencies report window on the upper right-hand side of the main map interface. The stops clusters operated by Chariots are displayed on the main map interface, and the zoom level is adjusted to best display the stops clusters. At the top of the OnMap Connected Agencies report window, the specified spatial gap in miles that defines whether or not other transit agencies are connected to Chariots is displayed. The default value for the spatial gap is set to 0.1 miles. If desired, the user can increase or decrease the value of the spatial gap either by using the numeric up-down control or by entering a new value manually. Pressing the Submit button after modifying the spatial gap value will update the OnMap Connected Agencies report for the chosen transit agency. Below the spatial gap control, the OnMap Connected Agencies report window displays the name of the selected agency, in this case Chariots, and a table that lists all the transit agencies that are connected to Chariots based on the user-specified spatial gap in miles. The table column labeled Number of Connections in the OnMap Connected Agencies report window lists the number of connections that each transit agency has with Chariots. A connection defines a transit stop operated by Chariots that is paired with a transit stop from another transit agency because they are separated by a distance in miles that is less than or equal to the spatial gap specified by the user. Clicking with the mouse on one or more of the transit agencies listed on the table will display square-shaped icons with a number inside. These square-shaped icons are referred to as connection clusters. The number shown inside the connection clusters represents the number of connections clustered within the icon. Clicking with the mouse on a connections cluster zooms in on a specific geographical area. The connection pairs composed of Chariots transit stops and another transit agency's transit stops will be displayed. Clicking with the mouse again on any of these stops will zoom in a bit further. This action also draws a straight line from the transit stop that was clicked to all its connections. Displays a pop-up window that shows the name of the transit agency that operates the transit stop and the name of the transit stop, and collapses the OnMap Connected Agencies report window to the lower right corner of the main map interface. The transit stop pop-up window can be closed by clicking on the X located on its upper right corner. The straight lines connecting transit stops can be removed by clicking on the stop cluster icon with the mouse. The OnMap Connected Agencies report window can be maximized and the zoom level of the main map interface adjusted using the minus sign button to select other transit agencies from the table.